Welcome to latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss modern dining table designs encompass a wide range of contemporary styles that elevate the dining experience and add a touch of sophistication to any space. These designs blend functionality, aesthetics, and innovative materials to create stunning focal points in modern homes. One prevalent trend in modern dining table designs is the use of minimalist and sleek lines. Clean, uncluttered surfaces and angular shapes characterize these tables, contributing to a sense of simplicity and elegance. Often crafted from materials like glass, metal, or high quality engineered wood, these tables exude a sense of modernity that complements a variety of interior styles.